Okay, so we're question 34. We're told that there's two types of pens, blue and red pens that both cost different amounts. The total is 1080, so how you'd solve this is you do the cost of blue pen, which is 0.6 times 3, plus since the red pens are some multiplicative value of blue pens of, yeah, blue pens, we're first gonna just find out how much it would be in blue pens if we only use blue pens and we didn't use any red pens. So we just do 0.6 times 30 times 0.6 times x, has to equal 10.8. Um, Once you solve this out, you'd get 0.6. X is equal to 15, which means that um, if in total 18, if you buy 18 blue pens, you'd get $10.80. So that would mean that the 0.6x is 15. So that means um, 15 blue pens is equal to 6 red pens. So we have 15 blue pens is equal to these 6 red pens equals 6 red equals 15 blue. So if we want to find the ratio, we just have to take 15 and divide by 6, which gets us 2.5. So our final answer is 2.5. Okay, question 35. Okay, so for question 35, we're told that they took a flight from that was 1,233 miles. It flew 460 miles an hour for the first 75 minutes and 439 miles an hour for the remainder of flight. How many minutes did the plane fly at 439 miles per hour? Well, for this, we just take 460 miles an hour and multiply by, so 75 minutes is just 1.25 hours because that's just 60 minutes plus 15 minutes, and 15 minutes is a fourth of an hour. So it's just times 1.25, which is equal to 575. And then now we have the total, which is 1233 minus 575, which gets us 658. And then it says the remainder was at 439, so we have 658. And then we have to divide that by 439, which is equal to 1.49886. And then it says this is how much it is in hours. We just need to convert into minutes. So in order to do that, we just multiply this by 60. So we just take 1.49, whatever we got, and we have to multiply that by 60 to get it this answer in minutes, which is equal to 89.9316, which rounds to 90. So the correct answer is 90 because it says to the nearest minute. Okay, question 36.
There's a question in the chat for sure, if you want to answer.
Okay. Anyway, someone asked a question in chat, so I just answered it. Um, anyway, question 36. We're asked to convert from radians to degrees. So, uh, the conversion ratio would just be, so we have 2.4 radians, and we have to multiply by 180 over pi to convert to get the answer in degrees. So if we do 2.4 times 180 divided by pi, we get 137.51. And it says to the nearest degree, so we have to round this to 138. So the correct answer is 138. Okay, question 37. Okay, so question 37. If the length and width were doubled, how many more glasses could the container hold? Well, basically, if you doubled this from 9 to 18, if you doubled this from 12 to 24, how many total octagons would you have, I guess? So in this case, it would just be 4 times more because this would get doubled like this, and you'd have four of these. So this would be 12 inches, and this would also be 9 inches. So you just have 4 times whatever this original value is. So we just take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 12 and multiply by 4, which gets us 48. No, yeah, 48. And then it asks us at most how many more glasses. So now I have to take 48 and subtract the original value, which is 12, which gets us an answer of 36. So the correct answer is 36. Question 38. Okay, so question 38. Um, it says the area of the base of the newly designed container is 25% greater. What is the area of the base of the newly designed container? Also, the base is basically this entire thing. So what we do is just we do 12 times 9, which is 108, which is the original, and then we just have to multiply it by 1.25 because this is 25% greater, which gets us 135. So the correct answer is 135. Okay, question 1. Okay, so for question one, uh, wait, hold on. Let me download this for a second because I can't annotate this. Okay, sorry. So, okay, so for question one, uh, they start with 30 grams on Monday, so Monday 30, and then they ship 10 tons of gravel, so they have 20 left by the start of Tuesday. So this is increasing by 10, this is increasing by 10, these two are decreasing, so it could be either C or D. Then, um, on Wednesday, they made no shipments and received a delivery of 20 tons of gravel. So plus 20, plus 20. And then on Thursday, the company made no shipments and received no deliveries. So this is no shipments, no deliveries right here. So the correct answer is D. It would not be C. And then on Friday, they shipped 20 tons of gravel, so it goes down by 20. So the correct answer is D. Okay. Question two. Alright, so question two. If root 2x equals 8, what is the value of x? Square both sides, that would get us 2x equals 64. Divide both sides by 2, we get x equals 32. Okay. Question three. Okay, so for question 3, if 10 equals 2x plus 14, which the following must be true, well, let's just solve for x. This would just be minus 14 minus 14. That gets us 2x equals negative 4. So, uh, 4x cannot be a positive number, 10x can't be a positive number. 8x, so that's just times 4 times 4. So 8x equals negative 16. So that is correct. So correct answer is C. Okay, question 4. Okay, so for question 4. We have a front and back cover that are 2 millimeters thick, so that's 2 plus 2 plus n pages times 0.1, so 0.1 times n, which of the following gives the thickness, so that's just 4 plus 0.1 n, which is answer is A. Okay, question 5. Okay, so question 5. We currently have 48 plus 12 times 5, because it's 12 bucks a month, 5 months. That gets us 60 plus 48. That gets us 108. So the correct answer is in choice B. Okay, question 6. Okay, so for question 6, we have 25 pi is area. What is the length of the radius? Okay, so in this case, um, so the first thing we'd need is the area of a circle formula. So in that case, this would just be area is equal to pi r squared. Um, and it asks what is the length of the radius. So pi r squared equals 25. So that just means that the radius is the square root of 25, which would just be 5. So correct answer is B. Okay, question 7. Okay, so for question 7, we have a mean of 4.7 and a margin of error of 0.7, which are following is the conclusion. Um, Mean of at least 4.7. Well, no, the margin of error means that it could be lower. So the lowest possible value for this would be 4. So no. Mean of 5.7. I don't even know how you get 5.7 because 4.7 plus 0.7 is not 5.7. Mean working time between 4 and 5.4. That is correct because 4.7 minus 0.7 is 4 and 4.7 plus 0.7 is 5.4. So the correct answer is C. And then uh, between 0 and 0.7, no, that's not mean. Okay, question 8. Okay, so question 8. Uh, we have two lines, y equals 2x plus 7, and another line which has double the slope, so y equals 4x, double the y-intercept, so plus 14. We're asked at what point do they intersect? I would recommend plugging this into your graphing calculator and seeing where the two lines actually intersect. I'm just going to do this by hand because why not? So we have 4x plus 14 equals 2x plus 7. That gets us minus 2x. That gets us 2x minus 14 equals negative 7. That gets us x equals negative 7 over 2. Which, looking at answers, the only one with negative 7 over 2 for x is answer is A. So the correct answer for question 8 is A. Okay. Question 9. Okay, so question 9. 2.4 gallons per nautical mile. Distance is 2100 approximately, so we just have to round a bit. We could round before multiplying, but since this is calculator, you can just use a calculator instead of doing this in your head. So this would just be 2100 times 2.4, which gets us 5040, which rounds to about 5,000. So correct answer is C. Okay, question 10. Okay, so question 10. Quadratic function, which are following, could be the graph, shifted 3 units to the right. You can put this into your calculator, but in this case, it's already in vertex form. So this would just be from the origin, go left 2 units, down 1 unit. So it looks something like this. If this is what at -2 and this is -1, it looks something like that. And since this is just a constant and it's not negative, x minus 2, it's opening up. So in this case, shifted 3 units to the right, it would just be -2 plus 3, which would just be 1. So it would be something like this, where this is 1 and this is 1. So correct answer is B. Okay, question 11. Okay, so question 11. I would really suggest you should put this into your calculator. So in this case, I guess I'll just pull it up. Okay, calculator. Um, could also solve this by hand if you wanted, but you can make a mistake that way. So the intersection point is 4, 1. So in the system of equations, what is the value of x plus y? That would just be 4 plus 1, which is equal to 5. So correct answer is A. Okay, question 12. Okay, so question 12. We have x is 40, 40. Where's measuring angle DEF? So that's this. Well, in this case, we have to find out this using when you have two parallel lines, this angle is equal to this angle, so this is also 40. So using that, we know that a straight line is a measure of 180 degrees. So we just have to take 180 and subtract the two 40s. So we just have 180 minus 40 minus 40, which gets us 100. So correct answer is 100. Okay, question 13. Okay, so question 13. Which are following is the relationship between the diameter and the age of trees. Um, so to find out the slope, we look at points where it intersect, which is at 0, 0, and at 150. So that would just mean that every time we just have 100 over 50, which is 2. So every time the age of tree increases by 1 year, the diameter increases by 2. So it'd just be y equals 2x or d. Okay, it's 11:30.